Cast it. Very good. Hold on. Too small for my fingers, these are.
I know that.
Over, Dad. Come on, good girl. Good girl. Cora. Cora, come with Dad. Come with Dad.
Oh. Oops.
Cora, sit. Cora, sit. Walk on. Look at Dad. Look at Dad. Sit. Walk on.
Ah, now that's brilliant, because she's so fixed on you rather than Poppy. She has a moment with Poppy and then like you get her back.
Sit. Cora, look at Dad. Cora, walk on. Walk on. Walk on.
Poppy here.
Good girl. Good girl.
I think Poppy would like to do one.
We need to get some.